All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. Equally. Equally. In a fair amount for everyone involved. Yeah. Equally. They equally weigh 5 kilograms. Yeah. The books were equally heavy. They both weigh 1 kilogram. Yeah, one's not heavier than the other, but they're equally the same. Yeah. How cool is that? So she will spend her time equally with me and them. I equally organize the routes. He equally plans out the day for us. She equally spent time with us. Yeah. They all equally make a good point. It equally is ours. It is ours equally. It belongs to us all equally. Yeah. Oh, how cool is that? So, he went there to talk and equally listen. I equally listen and talk. Sometimes I do more listening than talking. Yeah. How cool is that? I am equally learning Spanish and Arabic. Yes. My time is equally divided between working, reading, learning, and exercising. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Equally. So we equally have important parts in the film. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. So equally. I think they'll equally learn from their mistakes. So he will equally learn from their and my mistakes. Their mistakes and my mistakes. He will equally learn from both. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So, equally. Now, can you use equally in a sentence? Write it in the comments below and like the video. Subscribe for more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by looking for English with Adrian and Adrian Nanchev. So you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram by searching English with Adrian, and Udemy, Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.